Hello guys, this tutorial is about links in HTML5. We have two types of links, internal links and external links. Internal links is for your root files, which file in your host, but externals is for links from another source or another addresses. For example, since you wanna link a file from another site in your site, you should use external links. For links, we have a tag which call it a. It has an attribute href and close it. For example, now I want to link HTML5 in our index about.html. About, this is about page. Now I wanna link text, for example, about page to about HTML. This is about HTML. Where is about? It's in root, where my index where is my index? Okay, think we have another file in a folder, pages, and an HTML5 contact.html. Contact page. Now I wanna link contact page. Contact page. Okay guys, my contact page is not in the root, it's in pages folder. How can I do this? Backslash and AL is help us in VS Code, pages and contact.html. Okay guys, now I wanna make a link in contact page to index. Another href index. How can I access to my index in the folder if I use a backslash? It is a way, but I can do this with dot backslash to double dot backslash index.html. It means go back from the folder, let's go to the root. Now let's go check it. Open my file with live server. It's about page. Did you see about.html? This is about page. I back. Now contact page. This is contact page. Did you see pages, contact? Now I want to go index. This is index page. But we have another way for external links to go root. If I use a backslash only, it means start the link from the root, my root. It's index.html. Can you see? This is no different. It's work. But think you have another folder in page, sub pages, and HTML, which call it I don't know, test.html, for example. I make it test a link to. I wanna add a link to my index.html, double dot and backslash. Can you see it goes back to double dot to pages? And again I wanna go back to the root, again double and do this index. Now I wanna add for test page here in my index. Now you can set pages, sub pages, test.html, but it's better to use backslash to say my file. It's my address from start from the root. Now go to index. It's text page. Did you see pages, sub pages, test.html, and again index. Can you see how do this? Double dot and backslash say to our file goes back from the folder to the back folder. Okay, but we have easy way. How can I do this without dot and line route or address? A backslash, I said it means my root and index.html. This index test page, can you see it's used full. Okay guys, this is internal links in your page, so it's better to just use internal links. Why? Because if you use external links, for example, think your address is dgdev.com, now you wanna link test.html. How do this? Is external. Okay, https //dgdev.com. okay guys, pages, sub pages, test, it's an external links, but it's too bad for your website to use external links like this in your website. For your files you should to use internal links. It's not good for SEO, but I have to show you how to use external links in your website, but it is not the way to use the links. Because think about this, if your web address changes, you should change all your links, but in internal links you don't need to change your addresses. Okay guys, now I wanna link Google https // and google.com. It's external links. Can you see? It goes to Google. External links just useful to routing to external website or another sources, not your source. For your source you should use internal. We have some attributes for links. The first of and the useful of us is target. What is target blank? Your target is equal to blanks. Help you when you click on the Google, open new tab. How many times? It's open the new tab, not close your page and go to the Google. But if I remove this, can you see the result? Google is open in your current tab. Target. We have another attribute, we call it rel. If you add this follow, it means you trust the Google and you set the Google crawlers. This is a safe website and good website, and I trust to him and I accept this website. By default, links rel is follow. But if you have to routing to a website external link and you want to use it in your website, but you don't want say to the crawler is my safe link and I know it's safe, or I accept this, you should equal rel to no follow. This is for your SEO. It means I link this website, but I can trust this. Please don't affect my website rank by linking this website, because if you link bad website as Google affect on your rank, your website rank. It says, for example, you use bad resources in your website and they didn't accept to suggest your website to the users. Rel no follow. Again, we have W3 school, and we have another attribute is download. Think you have a file you wanna download, capture.png. Okay, oh, why I removed them? Oh, I don't know what. Okay, download image, link, capture.png. By default, if I click on them, images show to the user. But if I use download attribute, I think it's not need to equals download to, I think it's just say the download, write the download. If I click on it, can you see my images is downloaded? Here, open this. This is the current image, capture.image. Okay guys, I think links is finished. Links are too useful in HTML and websites, and it's an easy tag. We have some type of links. Mail to is for email, for example, mail to this email. If the user click on these links, automatically go to send the email to this address. And again, we have tell, it's help us make a call by click on the link. And we have another link, it's internal links by ID. What is do? For example, link, you have a section and you have a link, you want to click, let's go, let me show you. Index, we have a paragraph, lorem 5000. Okay, let's go see. This is okay. Let's scroll our page. Okay, we have a section by, this is a section I show you by internal link. I set section ID to section contact. Okay, at the first of page, contact, I think it's contact part in our page. In href, I write hashtag symbol and write the ID of my section. Hashtag is the symbol of ID in HTML. Let's go to show you what it do. Okay guys, we have contact here, which one we didn't press in the past. Can you see the color of them is like of purple? It means in the past we clicked on them. If I click on the contact, can you see the page goes to this part, section contact. What is not a smooth? I add a style to my HTML file, but it is not your lesson, it's for the future. Body, scroll behavior, smooth. Okay, why is not work? Okay guys, I do my mistake and write this here. I use body, but I should use HTML to my effect. Doing well. Okay, if I click on the contact, can you see it goes down smoothly? Is an HTML or CSS ability. Okay guys, the links are finished, but we have too much work with the links in the future, and in the next lessons Have a good time and please subscribe our channel. Goodbye.